Hi there guys, my name's Mark Gossage, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my GoProCloud review. GoProCloud, it's all about backup, storage and everything that you need to sort of undeclutter or unclutter your computer, your laptop. You can take all your files and folders off that you don't use too often and back them up to GoProCloud. You can also put your videos on there. You can put anything you want. You got bonuses like me, you can upload your bonuses and your customers will be able to download them easily. It's super fast, super easy, comes with a load of super features that are comparable to Dropbox and the like, and it all comes at a one-time very low price. Okay, I'm going to be showing you around and everything it will do in a short while, but first I'd like to take you straight on over to the best GoProCloud bonus page on the planet. Okay, it's as easy as clicking on that first link right down below the video and coming straight on over to my bonus page here. It tells you more about it here. It's the next gen cloud storage. It allows you to store, backup, share and host unlimited files, images and videos in the cloud for life. So you can upload them so you've got them wherever you go. Simply travel around, and as long as you've got that internet connection, a browser and enough storage, you know, on your disk to download it, then you're good to go. You really are. You can go abroad on holiday and you suddenly think, well, I need that image, I want that. As long as you've got your internet access, log into GoProCloud and download it. It'll be straight back down on your laptop. Okay, so as long as you've got that internet access and your browser and everything, you're good to go. It really is super simple, comparable to other cloud-based, storage. But as I said, one-time low price, lifetime access, absolutely super deal. I will be putting this review video that I'm doing now here, so there'll be a video there when you're coming over. It tells you a little bit about GoProCloud. Or here, the features, tells you how you can upload and manage unlimited videos, images, audios and documents in seconds. It's really super fast, guys. I'm going to show you how fast, and the only thing that slows it down, if anything, is your internet connection. So if mine goes slow, it's my internet connection. I did do a quick test to make sure, it was what it said. Uploaded a file, it went up there a second or so. It really was super fast. Only a small file, couple of MB or something. I'll be showing you that in a short while. But yeah, it's there, all dependent upon your internet speed. Absolutely brilliant. You'll back up all your files so you'll never have the fear of losing them ever again. You can keep them on your computer and in the cloud if you want. Use it as a backup. Me, I keep a few backups of most things now because I learnt the hard way. I've lost websites, I've lost work. I put days in and I can't find it. It's gone. I've deleted, something's happened, it's gone. So all of that went early on in, 1995 when I first started, way back. And I've learned backup, you've got to back up the backup basically. Just a backup, you're even risking it there. You want to back up and you want to back up the backup, okay? This is going to give you another peace of mind, okay? It really is. Really fantastic. You'll be able to preview your files in there so that you can quickly scan for what you want, the info you want, things like that. 100% protection of your data, okay? With free end-to-end SSL encryption. It doesn't get any better than that. Enable, embed code, forum code and link. Get started with your storage, it's saying, at the lowest one-time cost. It'll double up as a cloud drive for easy use and collaboration. You can share it amongst people. You can do links that expire. As I said, I'll be showing you everything. Auto storage expansion as per usage. So they give you something like 100 gig and they're saying it expands. I'm not quite sure. For me, if you want unlimited, I do believe there's one-time offers that will give you that. So it depends. If you want a lot of space, then it's there as well. One-time payment, I believe. We will be having a look at that later on. One-click third-party sharing enabled. You can disable and enable. Back up all your information, images, videos, documents, near enough everything. Digital just send it up there, okay? Keep your website graphics, your videos and data secure using their super hosting features. Directly deliver content from the cloud. Like, you can deliver your bonuses, give people the link, bang, they've got your bonus, okay? You can password the link, I believe. I know you can time, we'll be looking at that anyway, as I said, in a short while. And there's 24 hours, 7 days a week, premium support that are gonna solve your issues if you have any, okay? It's so super simple. There is a little training video. It's that easy. There's, you know, the hardest part is logging in. Do you get what I mean? What's my password? You've got to remember your password, okay? Otherwise, you're not going to be getting into your site. So basically, that's the hardest part. Front-end GoProCloud starts $14, and then you got the Pro that removes all the limits. As I said, we'll be going through that in a bit, but I've shown you the price so you realise you're getting it at a silly low one-time price, okay? Your first website, I'm giving you that because you've probably already got hosting if you're thinking of backups. And if you have, this is going to show you how to really get to town and build a website. It's a video series, easy to follow, and it makes it so simple to succeed with your website, okay? You can't run a website from that, the GoProCloud, because it's not set up, I don't know how to explain, but it hasn't got the code, you know, it hasn't got everything it needs to run this, like WordPress or HTML, things like that, okay? Like Apache and things, it hasn't got that. It's there for taking up as a backup, okay? Not for hosting sites. That's an important difference. Then you've got the landing pages that convert. You want to be building a list and you want to be offering bonuses. Again, you need hosting for your landing pages, but all your bonuses, your images, you can store on GoProCloud, okay? I mean, I was advised not to keep all my images on my WordPress site. People said it's all right keeping one or two, but it's loading your site, it's slowing it down. You can compress your images, you know, resize them, make them smaller, and, you know, it's going to run a bit faster, but eventually it's going to bog it down. Like your computer, when the hard drive gets full, it gets slow, it makes mistakes, it errors, things like that. So what you do is you put your main images on your blog maybe, or your website, you know, your header and things like that. But the bulk of your images, especially ones that you're using more than once, you can load them onto GoPro and it'll pull them in. Your site loads and it'll load from GoPro, okay? It'll load the images, it'll lighten your site, means it loads faster, it's Google friendly. Google loves sites that load fast, it loves mobile friendly sites, and this is going to give you that extra oomph into your site, okay? Really is a lot of, you know, it takes a lot of the pain about loading issues away there. Then I'm giving you the complete step-by-step Microsoft Ads video course, my latest bonuses. These are Microsoft Ads, all updated, all new, fresh for 2021. It's going to show you exactly how to use those if you want to start getting traffic to your sites, to your offers, whatever you're promoting. Traffic handbook. You want free traffic? It's there as well. The fully upgraded video training package on how to generate a load of traffic to your offers, your landing pages, your squeeze pages, your membership pages. You know, if it's digital, if it's got a link, just send it there, okay? Get the traffic, send it there. Vendor bonuses. There's vendor bonuses arranged to be in. Well, I'll show you in a bit there. They'll be there. Plus, you'll be getting my encyclopedia of bonuses that covers all about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, everything like that. Selling websites, ads, paid, free. It's just got everything in there, okay? It covers near enough everything. There's not much that isn't in there. Once you've downloaded 120 volumes, as I like to call it, you've got that complete encyclopedia. Just imagine it, 120 volumes. You know, I want to do, yeah, okay. Do you know what I mean? It's all there for you. It really, really is. Absolutely brilliant. Then, Jono loves GoProCloud, so he's added his bonuses. He's given you access to his Atomic, done for you. DFY, done for you. Everything's been done. Add your links, good to go. Let's start making some cash. You've got that now. And with my traffic bonuses, you've got the traffic that you need, okay? How to make an email capture. Jono's going to show you how to make one. My bonus is going to show you how to make sure it converts like crazy. Then you've got recastling. Jono's going to give you the monetizing strategy that you need to make money with Recastly, okay? If you want to monetize Recastly, Jono's going to show you how. Then you've got license rights to Aurora. That doesn't mean you've got access. It means that you've got the license rights to resell it. So you can be making money reselling that product and putting the commissions in your pocket, okay? You're going to get license rights. You're going to be making money super fast. Get it hosted, you know, get the promotion up, get it running, and start making money there. All super simple. And if you're offering bonuses, create a bonus page and make sure you put the bonuses on your GoProCloud account, okay? All there. And Jono is gone out and got the vendor bonuses, so you're getting vendor bonuses as well. All super powerful. As I said, you're getting all the bonuses from the best GoProCloud bonus page on the planet. It's almost a tongue twister. Wasn't going to say it too fast. So the best GoProCloud bonus page on the planet. Yep, it's a little bit quicker then. So that's what you'll be getting there. All you need to do at any time, once you've clicked on that first link below the video, if you're on YouTube, click on that first link, come to this bonus page, and you'll see these yellow buttons. Just click on any of these yellow buttons, and it'll take you straight on over to the GoProCloud sales page, okay, which is here. This is sort of a preview. They may change it, but it's going to stay something like this. It's telling you they're giving you an unlimited cloud storage solution for life. They're giving you'll be able to upload and manage unlimited videos, images, audios, documents, PDFs, you know, things like that, okay? And if they don't upload, simply put them in a folder, zip the folder, and up it'll go, okay? Any problems, just zip it up and it'll go up as a zip file. 100% protection of data, free end-to-end SSL encryption, directly deliver content from the cloud on the website, one-click third-party sharing enabled. You can disable that. Preview your file to quickly scan for the info you need without needing to download it. So you can have a quick look through. Get started with your storage journey. They're saying at the lowest one-time cost. You pay once, access and use forever. So you're going to be able to use that for like 5 years or more. One-click sharing via email for uploaded files. Back up all your files so you'll never have the fear of losing them. Plus, you can get them off your computer. You know, ones that you, I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I'm not sure. Up they go. You know, why bin them? You no need. Use this GoProCloud as your recycle bin almost. You know, instead of binning it, GoProCloud it. Okay, so in a week's time, I wish I hadn't have binned it. Oh, it's in my GoPro, you know, along you go. Just simply find that folder, that file, that zip file, whatever it is, download it, you've got it again, okay? So you can use it like a recycle bin. It's that big, just throw everything in there. Honestly, it is really so easy to use, to access, to download and everything like that. So backing up all your files and everything, essential. If you don't want to lose stuff, you know, you don't want to come and go, it's crashed and I've lost all my images, I've lost everything. No, it's going to take me 5 minutes, get on to GoProCloud, download it, I've got it back. It's all there, okay? All super simple. So the more you back up there, the better, okay? Really, really is. You'll be able to skyrocket your file delivery with all files because basically the main bottleneck will be your internet connection or your users. If you're giving a bonus, if it's slow, it's because their internet's running slow. This is super fast. It really is fast. I don't know if you can get faster. It really does upload and download, yeah? Super fast. And you got the auto storage expansion as per your usage. Yeah, I'm not sure what the exact limit is. Did say 100 gig. I don't know if it goes over that, but if you want to play it safe, one time offer one, I believe, is unlimited, the pro version. It gives you a lot more. We'll be looking at that in a bit. That being said, let's go down the sales page. I don't read it all out. It's a long page, but I advise you come over and have a good look through so you know what you're getting, okay? Really, really do. And if you're unsure, go and have a look at other cloud storage options, and you're going to find that for the price that you're going to pay over 2 or 3 months, it's paid for lifetime access. So you got to be, you know, honestly, you got to be balmy not to take this up here. This really is absolute giveaway price. Okay, it's all there, no monthly fees as it says there while it's on the launch. Now they haven't told me yet. I don't know what will be happening at the end of the launch. Sometimes vendors take it down and they keep the site running, but they take the offer down, and that is it, because they've got enough people on. They don't want anybody else. Okay, they think that is as many as we can handle. That's what we're doing. A lot of vendors though keep it open, they ramp the price up and they put it on the monthly. So if you do come back in a week, a few days to a week when the launch finishes, then you're probably going to find it's on a monthly, and it's going to be comparable to the other cloud-based sort of storage places, Dropbox and similar. Yeah, up to you guys. It tells you more about it here. You know, it's all there. They're comparing it there. Unlimited, they're saying there, unlimited files, unlimited storage and everything. And it's showing you what it's got, and it's saying that Google Drive hasn't got it all, Dropbox hasn't got it, and iCloud hasn't got it neither. Plus, you're getting 1,000 gig there, 2 terabyte there, and believe me, 2 terabyte is more than enough for most people. It really is. Even 1,000 gig, it really is. I doubt whether you'll use more than that. You've got to be, you know, you've got to be absolutely like, you know, a company or something. You've got to be a real, more than an avid user, you know. You've really got to get on there to go over that. It is hard to go over that, you know, unless you're just doing it to throw it on. Yeah, well, we'll see if it does, you know. Okay, and even that'll probably take you a week or two. So it's showing you $17 one time. Okay, so that is it. Whether you pay per month, per year, 10 year, it's $17. Here, almost $10 a month. So as you can see, couple of months, you're in profit in a way. There, couple of months there, couple of months, you're in profit. Okay. The only way you can beat that price is to pay for a month and then don't pay again. In other words, lose all your storage. So price-wise, GoProCloud, you've got to go for it. It's saying it's got everything any other super expensive platform have, but without that recurring fee. And believe me, monthly fees come around fast, and I know it because I've got so many monthly recurring fees. I wish I could put them all on a one-time fee, you know, all my electric, gas, you know. I'd love to do a one-time payment, you know, $20 or something, you know, and forget about it for my lifetime. But that's not going to happen. It has with GoProCloud, so this is your chance to at least get one of those monthlies onto a one-time payment, and it's a low payment. It's not as if they're saying it's $1,000 and you got it for a life. You've got it just for a couple of months, you know, a month and a half or something of other comparable sites. You really, really have. And as you're saying here, it's ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, people like that, social media influencers, e-com store owners, social media. It's rather put in again. As I say, they're still doing the page up, but even just for if you're just somebody that works on a computer, you know, it might be your own computer and you just do your own bits and that. You've got files and folders on there. If you want to back it up, $17, you know, $17. If you don't use it this year, you might use it next year. It's well worth purchasing in the knowledge that you've got a load of backup, yeah? A load of backup. All you've got to do is take the time to upload it, and it doesn't take too long. It really, really doesn't. As I say, the page isn't quite finished yet. As you can see there, it's almost. So they're still working on that. I'm sure they'll have it finished in the next about 36 hours. I'm here just over a day early. So as you can see, not quite finished there. So with that being said, let's go over into the GoProCloud dashboard, and this is it. This is where you arrive. It won't have folders when you get there. It'll be empty. You've got to create them. Now it's all super simple. Click on all files, yeah, top left there. It brings up this page and you can see all your folders. You don't see what's in them, but you can see them. Okay, all the folders are there, everything. So you can select the file or folder to view its details, it's saying. So you just select it and it'll tell you there. The size, there's nothing in it, no bytes. The storage used, no bytes. Location, it's in the all files, so it's the first step down from all files. The owner, okay, you'll be the owner once you've purchased GoProCloud at its one-time price, so your name will be there. When it was last updated, when it was created, okay, and you can edit it, so you can add a description to it here, so you know more about it. You know, if you're forgetful, put a little description in, so when you come, you have a look in and it goes, it's got blah blah in, and my son's schoolwork, and you know, me mum's, I don't know, blah blah blah, okay, or my wife's, you know, do you know what I mean? So you know what they are. The best thing is to spend time ordering, you know, putting the folders in and setting them up properly, so you don't just put a folder up and then another folder and another and end up having to scroll down through 10,000 folders. It's ideal to have your top folders and sort of have your folder, your sons, your daughters, your wife's, you know, and anybody else in the family. So as soon as you go in there, you know you're going into your folder. Dad's folder, click, click, then you can go in, home, business, things like that, you know, folder it, folder it, folder it. So, you know, when you go in there, it's self-explanatory, you know, dad's folder. If you're dad, you know your dad, so click on dad. You know your stuff's in there, or should be anyway, if you've done it right. Then, opens a folder, then you have a look. Did you want something about your home in there, that you know, stuff to do with your home, stuff to do with college if you go to college, stuff to do with work, things like that. Okay, so the folder's there in front of you, click on work, it's about work. Then, you know, is it a PDF, is it an Excel file, is it, you know, and you could do all those different folders, lay the structure out to suit you, and it's a lot easier, because if you're backing up, you might not come in here, say for a couple of months. And when you come in, you think, do you know, I can't for the life of me remember what I named it. I know it's a PDF, but so you can go in, you know, you're going to know it's in dad's folder, you're going to know it's in your home folder if it's a home thing, you know, you're going to be able to dig down so far in there, so you've got a good chance of it. You'll say, oh, that's it there. And if not, you can find it by having a look at when it was done, when this, by searching and things like that, okay? You can manage people here. You can delete folders here. You can do more actions there, manage people, get shareable link. If you want to share a link, it will give you the link to give to people so that they can download whatever you're sharing. It, you know, be careful when you do that, that you get the right link, because it's easy to just get the folder like this and give them a link to that folder. That means they get access to everything in that folder when you only wanted them to have one PDF. You know, do it. Test it yourself, make sure, oh yeah, it's just that, because sometimes you go, whoa, I didn't mean to give them all of that, you know, I'm giving them a folder with 26 bonuses, I just meant to give them one of them. Do you know what I mean? So be careful. Plus you might be giving them some of your private stuff, you don't want them getting that, so be careful when you're doing a get shareable link. You can add a star on it so it sort of lights up a sort of thing, you know, got a star, that's super important. Create a new folder here if you want. Move to, so you can move it from one folder to another. You can rename it, make a copy of it, download it, delete it. Be careful when you delete. Only delete if you really want to delete it, because remember, if you've got unlimited storage, it doesn't matter. It may make it a little harder to find things, so yep, get rid of the clutter. You could even add a folder in there called recycle and put it in there, and if you haven't got it out in 12 months or so, you can empty it then, okay? But no need to delete willy-nilly, really not, you know, there's no need if you got that, unless it's for, say, security reasons or something. So that's there. As I showed you, going on there, you can make a new folder so that you can do that. Now, I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to do it up there, okay? Where's it there? There's a plus here, okay? Click on that, folder name, okay? I'm going to put dad's, simple as that. Dad's folder, we know whose it is, okay? Dad's folder's there. If we click on it now and open it, double click, that's open. There's no need to click on upload. If you click on upload, it'll show you your desktop or, you know, whatever you're on, so that you can go through, you know, find your C drive or go through folder by folder to find it. But if you've got it, you know where it is, you can simply drag and drop it. Now, I'm going to drag and drop my thumbnail that I'm going to put on YouTube for this review video, okay? You just drag it on, there it is, can you see that? I'm going to let go of my mouse and it's uploading, okay? and it's uploaded just like that. And these are 4K images. It'll show you the size, the storage and everything there, but not straight away because it's showing you what it was. You've got to go out and come back in. So if we go to all files and then we go click on DADs, it'll show you 1.3 MB, and it went up in something like a second. I didn't have my stopwatch out, so I'm not sure, but it went up super fast. Okay, even YouTube doesn't allow me to upload it that quick, believe me. It really is fast. So now we can go in there and you can see it, you know what it is. It shows you what I've called it. So it's there. I can download that now, or I could link to it, I could share it. If I right click on it, we get all this. So let's say that's my bonus, or I want to let someone have it. I'll come in here, I get my shareable link. Okay, link is valid until, I can put a date on it. So after that date and the time, that link doesn't work. They're going to click on it, they can't get it. So 24 hours, it's gone. That means they can download it, but they can't give the link out to other people. Well, I say they can't, they can, but other people are going to say that's the wrong link, it doesn't work. Okay, it's not going to work. So you can put a time limit on that, the date and the time. You can password on it there, enter your password so that people can only get to it if they've got the link and the password. Yep, this is the link, you'll need the password. Okay, and that there. And then editing. Now, if you do that, be careful, because anybody with a link can modify the item. Unallowed, allow download. Users with link can download this item. If you take that off, if there is no link, people, it's really super safe. And it's as simple as create link. You get the link and you give it to people. And yes, you can do the expiration, still put a password on it and still allow editing. Okay, you can do all that if you want. You can take that off. So then they'll require a password to get to that, to download it. Plus it must be within that time duration. I mean, you can set it up for a few hours from now or a year or so from now. That's up to you. Depends on what you're doing, where you want it to go. Okay, you can even have the link yourself, no need to do that, and then it'll never expire. You put a password on it, being as it's not expiring, make sure it's safe, and then wherever you go, as long as you know the password, you can get that and download it. Okay, I'm not going to do any of that, but it's there, all here, and all the details there. It's all super simple. There is training. Let's just have a look. There's support. There's support there. You've got training videos. There's only one video. It will show more. Let me explain. The vendor also does GoPro mail. I can't remember that, and I don't know when. This is a month ago. I don't think I reviewed that, but it tells you how to use it. If you like it, I'm sure you'll be able to get that off them. Okay, if you want to, have a look through it, you'll be seeing more or less inside. It's like a review, isn't it? 2 minutes 41, 2 minutes 41 and 3 minutes 32. So have a look through it. If it looks like something you want, you'll be able to grab it. Okay, just get in touch with support. Say, hey, I've noticed that you've got that. How much is it? One-time price, I would imagine, lifetime access again. There's only this one demo video here that shows you how to upload files. I've ran through it quickly. I don't think it's going to show you much more than what I have. It's 2 minutes 7. I mean, have a quick look through it. It might show you a bit more than I have. 2 minutes of your time, and that is it. That is the training. That is how easy it is to use GoProCloud. Okay, super simple. Now I'm going to come out of this right here, back up here, all files, Dad's folder, that's mine. So what I'm going to do now is right click on it, bottom, delete. Okay, and it's gone just like that. It's deleted. Yeah. If you go in trash, there it is. Okay, so it has got a recycle bin, and I believe it holds it for about 30 days. It will get rid of it, but it does hold it for a time, so you can send it back if you want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete forever. Once you've done that, it's gone, and I'm going to delete that forever, being as it's mine, and that's gone as well. Okay, so it's all gone. Dad's folder's disappeared, and my YouTube thumbnail in there's disappeared. So it's easy to upload, it's easy to get a link, it's easy to make that link super secure with the time on it or anything like that. So if you're giving bonuses out, people have got, say, 24 hours, gone, can't get it after that. Okay, so simple as that. It really, really is. It's up to yourself. There's a lot here. although it's easy to use. It's all super simple, near enough all, self-explanatory. Add a folder by adding on there, and then just click inside there, upload, and start, just drag and drop. Depending on your internet connection, it's really fast. I mean, mine runs a bit slow when I'm doing videos and everything, because what happens is, I say mine, it's not so much internet connection, the computer gets bogged down because it's a 4K video, and it really does take the toll on my Mac. So it slows the computer down, which it has to get around to thinking, oh, I'm uploading, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So it does take a bit longer. If I turn it all off and done it with everything off, just the computer on and just that open, it'd go up twice as fast. It'd be, you wouldn't even see, it'd just go zip, it'd be up there, okay? So GoProCloud, fantastic backup. You've seen how quick it is, and how to use it basically. You've had a quick overview of that. Everything there. I haven't shown you here, shared with me, so you can share with each other. Recent, if you want, I've done it recently, click on recent, it'll show you what you've done recently, unless you binned it. Starred, you can start certain folders if you want. Trash, that's to get to the trash. If you binned it, you can get it back if you're in time. Support, if you need support. You got the training video, and bonuses. Okay, so you'll be getting vendor bonuses in there as well, and once you purchase that through my link. And down here it says that you're using 286 kilobyte, which you're not, because these won't be there, these are other people's now, of 100 gigabyte. Okay, now they are saying that it expands, but I'm not so sure. It says upgrade storage, but you've got that anyway. When I clicked on it, it showed you 0 prices here. Okay, Pro, to remove a limit, so it's going to give you a lot more. Okay, they're saying that the link expiration and the things I've shown you, some of those are upsells. Okay, so if you want the link expiration to add that date, that you need the Pro version, we'll be going through that. Secure your data, ironclad protection and advanced security, so it's even more secure. You're getting a commercial license, you can use it for your clients, and you're getting priority customer support. You've then got the agency license here, where you can create user accounts and everything. Let me just close that, because we're going to go through that now. All we need to do, very first link right down below the video, click on that and come over to the best GoProCloud bonus page on the planet. Okay, all here. As I said, tells you a bit about it. We did go through that earlier, but if you want to read it, just come on over and have a look. Pricing $14, going to $17. Okay, so you can get it lower than $17. Absolute giveaway, it really is. Even if it's only 100 gigabyte, believe me, hard to fill 100 gigabyte unless you're an artist, or you're into image after image videos, things like that. The 100 gigabyte, if you're just using files, folders of Word docs and PDFs, things like that, it'd take a lifetime. It really would. So you're getting a massive deal there. Now, if you get the Pro version, $37 to $47, okay, for the Pro version, upsell one, it's going to remove all limits. So definitely all limits removed. Unlimited uploads, unlimited downloads, download an entire folder as a zip file. So I think you can zip it and download it if it's all in there. So it'll download faster. Just go in there, zip it, because you want to download that folder, okay, and it's got a gig in there. Let's zip it and download it. Okay, it'll zip it for you and download it. You'll be able to watermark on preview files, so if that's important to you, you might have a business where you want to showcase your work, your graphics, things like that. Put a watermark on it. It protects it. People can come and have a look, but as long as the watermark does enough damage, as I call it, to the picture, it's going to be no good to them. Okay, so watermarking, that is a great thing to have. Secure your data, as I said earlier, ironclad protection, advanced security, full file statistics, visitors, country, top referrers, browsers are using, operating system, everything like that. So if you want full file statistics on people, that is available in that one. Private and public folder option enable. You can make it private, nobody can get to it. Okay, set passwords on your files and folders, so that's an upsell as well. Upload multiple files simultaneously. Okay, need to add, not sure what they're saying there, but upload multiple files, more than one at a time. So it's going to make your workload a bit easier if you've got a heavy workload, if you've got a lot to back up or upload for whatever reason. expiration date, so you can set it for 24 hours, 2 hours, a week, a year. Okay, that you need. You really do. You're going to need things like that. The upsell, you know, the Pro version is one I'd go for. Unlock unlimited everything for pro marketers, commercial license, and you're going to get priority customer support. At the price, guys, I think you'd be silly to miss out on that. Depends. If you're just buying it to back up your own stuff off your computer, the front end's good enough. If you think you're going to be using it in business, I would go for upsell one. Okay, remember, if you leave this and you buy the front end and then 2 or 3 months down the line you think, I wish I'd gone for the Pro, it probably will be on a monthly. You know, you may still get it at a one-time price, but I doubt it. It's going to be on a monthly, and you're going to go, $40 a month, or, you know, and you'll wish you'd paid. Honestly, the Pro version to me is the one I'd go for. DFY is upsell. It flicks off the screen then. Upsell 2. $67 to $97. Not sure what DFY is. Done for you setup. They'll set up everything for you. They'll move your files and data and set it as you wish. Just need to sit back and relax. You don't have to wait for your cloud to ready with all of the data you need. You might have internet speed issue, so they'll take care of your data migration work. I doubt whether many, if anybody, needs that. If you do, $67 to $97 there, okay? So if you have got an internet speed issue and your stuff's already on the cloud, it's sort of up there and you want it moved, they'll do it for you, okay? And if you've got gigabytes, well, if you've got terabytes and terabytes, pay them. You know it's going to take you all, you know, days, so give it to these guys. So there you go, get it sorted, okay? That's for people that have already really got that cloud-based storage and they want to move. If you don't want to pay monthlies, if you want to sack the company you've got, you know, Dropbox, if you think, well, I'm going to take that, you don't have to worry. You don't have to think, oh, you know, I would do it, but there's 3.5 terabytes. There's no way I'm doing that. No way. You know, it puts some people off. Now, as long as you don't mind these guys moving it, they'll move it for you. You have to think about, you know, I'm not sure. Depends what it is. I mean, if you've got all data protection, you know, you probably can't allow them to do it. So that will stop you. But other than that, they'll move it for you if you let them. Okay, it means you're getting access to your stuff. So be careful. You know, if data privacy is an issue, then that option isn't for you really. The agency, 97 to 197, and this is where you can create 100 to 250 accounts, depending on the price you pay, for users from your own dashboard. So you can sort of get 250 accounts for well, it works out under $1, doesn't it? $197. What's that? 80 cents or something? For about 80 cents each, you get 250 accounts, and then you can manage the users. You can add users. You can delete users as you wish. You can charge what you want. You can give it away free as a bonus, maybe. You can charge monthly, a one-time price, anything you want. Okay, it's up to you. So I mean, you can charge a one-time price of $2, okay, for a lifetime. And if you sold 250 accounts, $500. If you're selling it at, like, say $10, that's $2,500. Okay, $2,500 for a $197 outlay. So that's up to you. Monthly or what? You know, you could get it out there. Do it at one time, $10 or $20 one time. Sell off 100, that's $1,000, you're way in profit, and then swap it to monthly. Okay? Anybody else now? Monthly, monthly, monthly. And that's where you'll start to make the money long term. You'll take that bulk up front, the big bucks, and then you'll start making a nice little recurring income every month. I'm not saying it'll give you a wage, but it'll give you, well, I'll say that. You know, you could easily charge, say, $7 a month or something. Depends what they want. So you could be on 700, $1,000 a month, even more if they want a bigger account, okay? Because you'll be able to limit that account. You'll be able to say, oh, 10 gig, 100 gig, things like that, okay? So you'll be able to charge them monthly, and as they fill it up, they'll have to come back and pay you more for the next tier. Oh, you know, I did buy 10 gig, I now need 100 gig, you know, I need a terabyte. Yeah, it's X amount per month, okay? So all there, all there. If you don't want to do that, but you want to resell GoProCloud as if it were your own and take all the commissions off it, $97, okay? You get a reseller license and you can sell it and keep 100% of the commissions, the profit, everything like that, okay? They'll manage the service, they'll do everything. So all you've got to do is get traffic to it. If they buy, you make the money. And depending on what the purchase is as to what you make, okay? Front end, you're going to get just under $14 if it goes at that price, because the Warrior Plus and that charges a commission to sell it and things like that. You know, there is a sort of handling, bit like PayPal. So you'll probably find that $8 or $14, you get $12 or $13 coming through. Okay, 17 is going to be 15. Same here. If you get a big sale, say $197, you're going to get around $190. Okay, commission's going to be paid out. There you go. Absolutely fantastic. All there, all for the take. All, well, one, it's going to help you by backing everything up, keeping you safe. Plus, you've got that chance on making money. If you want to take it, that opportunity, I should say, because it is an opportunity. Everybody, well, a lot of people need space. A lot of people, you know, many a time I bet you've looked at your phone, it's almost full. You've got your computer ready to crash, running slow, it's full. You know, one of mine is absolutely chock-a-block, and I'm in the process of uploading on it. Well, I will be. I switched it off while I'm reviewing this video because I didn't want to sort of slow my internet connection down. So when I showed you, oh, it uploads faster and it goes chug, 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 and you go, whoa, you know, I wanted to show you the best possible upload I could. Okay, so that's there. That's GoPro Cloud, backup storage, absolutely brilliant. I've shown you, you know, the pricing's good. It's absolutely easy to use. It's a professional item, all for the take. If you want that backup, want to put bonuses on there, things like that, you need GoProCloud. So thanks for watching. All that remains for me to say, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.